Now, I like to sous vide a lot of food, and so I got this little sous vide top here for my standard Rubbermaid 12-quart container, because this helps keep the heat in when the sous vide machine is running. And all I do is snap it on just like that, and it's ready to go. I've used this for many years. It's held up remarkably well. I enjoy that the back holds on completely where the machine is, and the front has these little snaps so I can access inside. It does all come up pretty easily though, but it's a nice access point, and I'll often have things that might stick out, so this side can come up and the whole thing doesn't just fall off, which is nice. A great piece. Sturdy plastic. I stick it in the dishwasher all the time. It handles all the wear and tear, use and abuse I put through it, and it basically looks like new. So if you're looking for a topper for your sous vide system, this is the one.